How much should you actually spend on a 12-inch miter saw? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Metaba HPT 10-inch miter saw. First up, we have the Metaba HPT 10-inch single bevel compound miter saw. Priced at just $149, this is a solid budget-friendly option that caught my eye mainly because of its powerful 15-amp motor. If you want precision cuts without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. The saw delivers up to 5,000 RPM, which means you can tackle a variety of woodworking projects with ease. Its lightweight design makes it portable, weighing only 24 pounds, so you can easily transport it to job sites or store it away when you're done. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The improved miter scale and controls provide accurate adjustments, and the vise clamping system keeps your workpiece secure. With a miter angle range of 0-52 degrees and an adjustable bevel range of 0-45 degrees, you really can make a wide array of cuts with confidence. Plus, it has a 4.6-star rating from over 460 reviews, and more than 3,000 units have been sold this past month. Clearly, people trust it. Now, some people complained about the 10-inch blade size, saying it limits cutting larger materials. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly working with smaller pieces or doing trim work, this saw is still an excellent choice. It's powerful, precise, and very user-friendly. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a beginner looking for a reliable miter saw that won't empty your wallet. Skip this one if you need to make heavy-duty cuts on larger materials often, as the 10-inch blade might not meet your needs. Now, if the blade size is a concern for you, the next option on our list offers a larger cut capacity. Product number 2, DWALT 12-inch miter saw. Next up is the DWALT 12-inch miter saw, priced at $299. I was immediately impressed by its reputation and the solid construction from a well-known brand. If you're looking for a saw that combines reliability with performance, this is worth considering. It supports a cross-cut capacity of 2-inch x 8-inch lumber at 90 degrees and 2-inch x 6-inch at 45 degrees, which is perfect for most home projects. Here's why this matters for you. The tall sliding fence supports crown molding up to 5.12 inches vertically, allowing you to work on more extensive projects without any hassle. However, some users noted that it can be a bit heavy to move around, especially for those doing frequent job site visits. But honestly, if you have a designated workspace, that weight contributes to its stability and durability. It's built to last. This is perfect for you if you're a seasoned woodworker looking for precision and performance. Skip this if you're someone who needs a lightweight saw for transport, as the heft might be a downside. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually surprise you with its features for the price. Product number 3, DWALT DWS 780 miter saw. Now let's talk about the DWALT DWS 780 miter saw, which comes in at $499. I have to say, this one really impressed me with its features. If you're serious about your woodworking projects, this is worth a close look. It projects a shadow for precise cutting alignment, which can genuinely improve your accuracy. What's great for you is its dust collection system that captures over 75% of the dust generated. This means less cleanup time after you're done working, letting you focus on your projects. Plus, it supports crown molding up to 7.12 inches vertically, ideal for those larger jobs. Here's the deal though, once you get the hang of it, the setup pays off in precision and performance. This is perfect for professionals or serious hobbyists who want the best features available. Skip this if you're on a tight budget, as the price reflects its premium capabilities. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable but still effective, this next product might fit that bill. Product number 4, Skill 10 Dual Bevel Miter Saw. Next, we have the Skill 10-inch Dual Bevel Sliding Compound Miter Saw, priced at $279. Honestly, I was surprised by the level of performance you get for this price. If you need a reliable saw that won't break the bank, this is worth checking out. Its powerful 15-amp motor delivers 4,800 RPM, giving you the speed needed for detailed cuts. The dual bevel feature allows for cuts in 4 positive stop positions at 48 degrees and 45 degrees left, 0 degrees and 45 degrees right, which means you can tackle various angles easily. What makes this relevant for you is the LED shadow line that offers greater accuracy than lasers. Plus, the saw can cross-cut lumber up to 2x12 at 90 degrees, perfect for common DIY projects. Now, some users have pointed out that the saw can be a bit noisy during operation. But honestly, if you're focused on getting the job done, a little noise shouldn't hold you back from a tool that performs well. This is perfect for DIYers and hobbyists who want a solid saw at a reasonable price. Skip this one if you're strictly a professional needing heavy-duty features, as it might not hold up as well under constant use. Now, if you want something that can handle more than just wood, the last product on our list is designed for versatility. Product number 5, Evolution Power Tools Sliding Miter Saw. Finally, we have the Evolution Power Tools Sliding Miter Saw, which is priced at $179. This one really caught my attention for its unique ability to cut multiple materials. If you want versatility in your saw, this is worth a close look. It features patented multi-material cutting technology that allows you to cut steel, aluminum, wood with embedded nails, and plastic, all without sparks or excessive heat. That's a game changer for anyone working on diverse projects. Here's why this matters. With a 0.45-degree bevel capacity and 50-degree miter settings, you can easily tackle all common cutting angles. Plus, the included premium TCT blade makes it easy to switch between materials, ensuring you have what you need for various jobs. It's got a solid 4.6-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, which indicates it's performing well. Here's the thing though, if you're working on lighter projects or only occasionally cutting metals or plastics, this saw could be perfect for you without needing to invest a lot. This is perfect for DIYers who need a multifunctional tool for various materials. Skip this if you're focusing entirely on wood projects and require more heavy-duty performance, as it may not hold up under continuous use. In conclusion, each of these miter saws has its strengths and weaknesses. Whether you're on a budget looking for power or need versatility, there's definitely a saw that fits your needs. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Metaba HPT 10-inch for budget-conscious buyers, the DWALT DWS 715 and DWS 780 for those wanting performance and reliability, Skills 10-inch for DIY enthusiasts, and the Evolution for multi-material cutting. Each has its unique features, so think about what you need most to make the best choice.